Hi, and welcome to YOLO Queen Bee Tarot. I am YOLO Queen Bee. I'm doing the reading for Pisces. Pisces. How you doing, Pisces? I hear, are we having fun yet? Maybe. All right, gang. Remember, natural spring water, 1 gallon a day, please. Water is underrated medicine, let me tell you. Get to a natural spring water near you if you ever have a chance. Fortunately, I have access to some of the best water in the world. Thanks be to Gaia. So I'm here fulfilling part of my mission to help others by tarot, giving you some intuitive insights with my psychic abilities. And also, some of us have more than one mission. Some of us have missions with counterparts, but, everybody has free will. We'll get back more into that. If you're following my channel, then you're probably just having a spiritual awakening. Welcome, welcome. I'm your host. Either everybody's going to have a soul tribe drawn to them. So, the longer you stick with me, the more that I'll probably divulge about my spiritual journey that I've been on at least 5 years now. And I can say I'm a divine feminine, and I have definitely met a past life soulmate and my twin flame who, there's some great lessons and all that. All right. Mr. Pisces, what's going on, Mr. and Mrs. Pisces? Elohim, Spirit, thank you. Hey. Well, so far so good. That's awesome. Love that energy. Usually those things come with all joy, right? Nothing's worth joy if there's no conflict. Okay. So, Pisces. Hey, we got the 10 of Cups. Strength. 5 of Wands. Wands means family. Community. Judgment. 8 of Pentacles. And the Knight of Pentacles. So someone's feeling, I want to say wish fulfillment. That's what I'm hearing, wish fulfillment. There's a Leo who's having wish fulfillment. But there's a lot of conflict with this family, Wands' family. So the judgment, there's judgment about 8 means abundance, money, with the Knight of Pentacles. The Knight of Pentacles is a slow-moving pentacle. It's methodical. Like everything is planned and executed. Like he's put a lot of, before he ever made one step, he had put a lot of thought, effort, and time in proper planning. There you go, proper planning. Ask what's the judgment. What's the judgment about the money? Like, what is the judgment? What's happening? The Hierophant. So, could be a lawyer. The judgment with the lawyer. Or a Taurus. Clarify the Hierophant. Ooh. Yep. A Queen of Cups in reverse. Queen of Cups in reverse. Oh, man. She's out of her mind. Queen of Cups is Queen of Cups done psychotic right here. So something with the judgment. The judgment. The Queen of Cups, she's not happy with judgment. The lawyer, she's having issues. What's going on with the Queen of Cups? Ooh, I see the 3. Ooh, there must have been a... Oh, just trying to get away with third-party situation. The Queen of Cups herself. Maybe that's the judgment. That's why he's... The King of Pentacles is going away with the abundance, the money. Oh, shoot. Drama. Drama. Pisces. Hey. So something was in your favor, so that's good, right? So it also, yeah, with the court, judgment, the court, the judgment went in your favor, so you're happy. That's good. Congratulations. All right. What should we get? Let's get a Gaia Oracle card. Yeah, their abundance, they've been working hard at their skill or doing something. They've been focused, I guess. All right, Gaia. What? Okay. You're funny, Spirit. So I'm Oracle cards, Gaia Oracle Guidebook, or Gaia Oracle by Toni, Carmine, Salerno. Beautiful cards. Everything about them is positive. The illustrations are very beautiful. So card 42, which is a 6. 6 is balance. We got Sacred Earth Mother. A message of love. I heard that. Message of love. I wonder if I take you home. Sacred Earth Mother. What? We travel the endless corridors of our mind until one day we find a pathway that leads us to our heart. Who you truly are has nothing to do with your personality or your achievements, successes or fails. The you think you are is an actor playing a role that your soul has chosen. The essence of you is soul, light, with no beginning or end. You are an eternal spark of pure creativity, unlimited potential that yearns to be expressed and fulfilled. Your potential is your destiny. It awaits your call. Trust your heart and apply its love and wisdom to all you do. In this way, all you create or you do will be a true expression of your soul. It is through expressing your truth that you create things of lasting value. Be true to you. Wow, was that a blessing? What a great message. Affirmation. I am in essence light. I am in essence soul. I am pure creative potential. I am guided by my heart. I apply love and wisdom to all I do, all I say and do. That's right. Namaste. All right, remember, YOLO Queen Bee Tarot. You only live once, and I love you.